Hey guys, so I am headed to the grocery store this morning to go get my things that I need for meal prep. I'm sorry, I'm being ugly looking out the window. Go get the things that I need for my meal prep. I already have my list going, so I am doing my, the usual Aldi's run on my Sunday morning. I just need a few things because I try to grab things ahead of time as well, so that way the next week I don't have to get as much. So, yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And, yeah, so here we go. Head toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? I don't know all the words. It is such a gloomy day out here today. Oh my god. Like, I cannot. I'm an excellent driver, by the way. I think this is the first time I've ever, filmed in the car, so, yeah. And please excuse me if I yell or if I'm saying really bad words, because I have really bad, horrible road rage. I don't know. When I get in the car, I'm, anxious, all the time. I don't know. I just feel like I have to get to my destination, quick, fast, and hurry. And if someone is slowing me down, I feel like I have to run them down. So, but yeah, just, please excuse me if I say some profanity. And then I get very uncomfortable when people look in my car and see what I'm doing. And that's another reason why I don't film in the car, because then I'm they probably looking at me like I'm freaking crazy. But screw them people, they don't know me, And if it seems like I'm on a bumpy terrain, mind you, I live in Kansas City, Missouri, and the potholes are atrocious here. The roads freaking suck. Oh, sorry. My voice is going crazy. This man in front of me is not driving right. Oh my god. But yeah, roads is real sucky over here. So if it looks like I'm off-roading, then you know why. So I am here at the Aldi's, and I am about to do my shopping. Let's see. I always get these little thingies here. They're nice. But they never have the ones that I like. And I can never reach because I'm so short. Excuse me. It's always a new fucking people in here. So far, got some avocados and some mushrooms and some broccoli. I already have chicken thighs at home, thawing out. Excuse me. So yeah. I said I was gonna get some frozen fruit because I said I was gonna start doing more smoothies. So that's what's next on my list. I don't even have to look at it. It's that damn good. This is so uncomfortable because people are like probably staring at me, but whatever. I don't care. Let me get my list out before I start getting off track and start getting extra stuff that I don't need. No. I need some spinach. Oh, see, this is cute. It's like a banana and fruit basket holder. It's really cute. See it? I was thinking about getting that. I don't know. Bag of spinach to go in my smoothies. Got some at home, but it's been there for a long time, so it might be kind of old. I need to start getting more nuts again. And by nuts, I mean almonds. I got one thing off my list. Oh, that's not bad though. But I just need eggs, and I usually get those at Walmart because I like the cage-free brown eggs. And yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna do some brown spinach, fruit, mixed berries. Yeah. I'm done here. You got that yum, yum, yum. Oh, whoa. Girl, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Girl, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. Love this song. All right, food. But they hit me crazy. People are really out here getting their car washed, and like, mind you, it's starting to rain now, but yet and still, here they are washing their cars like dummies. Yeah, you a dummy, 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 dummy. Oh, you leave my seatbelt on. Oh, that dang nab, dang it. So annoying. Here we go. Safety first. Just kidding. I always wear my seatbelt when I drive. I had it on earlier. But I always put it underneath my arm because I do not like it going across my head. Oh, shit. Yes. Sorry. Drop the camera. Oh, God. I'm just a mess right now. All right. That's enough of in the car. I'll catch you guys when I get back home. Okay. So I'm home now. And here just to recap what I've gotten from the store. I did stop at Walmart on the way home. So I got me some spinach. I got me a, what is this? It's kind of like a nut mix. So it has raw almonds, pecans, pistachio, and I think that's it. Yeah, just pistachios. Simply Nature brand. I have my berry medley mix here. I've got my broccoli that I'll be meal prepping with tonight, along with some baby Bella mushrooms. I got 3 of those. I really love mushrooms. A lot of people don't like mushrooms, but I am a little mushroom head. And then these little things that I was showing you in the store. And then, of course, my 4 avocados. I really should have got that, what do you call that thing? It was like a banana holder and fruit basket. Should have got one of those. But yeah. And then at my stop at Walmart, I got my cage-free brown eggs, and then some other necessities that I needed for the house. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for going shopping with me, riding with me in the car, me singing horribly, and my mild road rage. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next little episode or whatever I post. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm about to get to it. So deuces.